Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. And in this video, I'm making for you a Big Mac smash burger style on the Blackstone Griddle. Alright, so I'm doing a copycat recipe. My son challenged me to make a better Big Mac, or my version of a Big Mac that's better than McDonald's. So here you go. Yeah, so here's all the ingredients. I'm gonna have a list of the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. So this video, I know I typically do restaurant quality recipes on this channel, but you know, my son challenged me to make a really good burger that could beat McDonald's, and I decided to have a little fun and you know, get outside the norm and go ahead and make a copycat recipe of a Big Mac. So right here, I'm just chopping up my iceberg lettuce. Alright, here I'm dicing up some yellow onions. Alright, so here I go making the Big Mac sauce, the special sauce. So I just went in with some mayonnaise, some sweet relish, some Worcestershire sauce, some ketchup, some sugar, and some white vinegar. Alright, so just giving that a stir. And while I finish everything else, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the refrigerator so those flavors can marry together. So right here I'm making around 3 ounce, 4 ounce ground beef balls. Alright, getting those ready to put on the Blackstone Griddle. Alright, so I got most of my prep done, so let's head out back to the Blackstone. Alright, down with a little cooking oil, spread it out. Alright, and here I am going down with my ground beef balls. Unfortunately, it started raining as soon as I went out there. Not hard, but it's drizzling a little bit, so didn't get the picture quality I would love to have got, but either way, you'll get the gist of the whole recipe. So I'm using parchment paper in between the spatula and the ground beef just to keep it from sticking, to smash the burgers. Alright, so now I'm going down with some seasoning salt. And while you at it, smash that like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. It really supports the channel. I just want to thank everybody out there that supports the channel. I just got my channel monetized. I hit my 1,000 subs a few months ago and I got my watch hours. So it's been a long journey, but you know, there's some of y'all that really stuck by me and supported the channel. I definitely want to shout everybody out that participated, and you know, people like John Hutch, my mother-in-law, my wife, you know, my man Trevor Pope. So yeah, I just want to my brother-in-law Gerald Colbert. I just want to shout those people out, and there's a lot of other people that supported the channel as well. People from the Cooking Creators group on Facebook. And I'm forgetting names. I really shouldn't have gotten the name of names, but you know, I'm just excited that I finally reached the first milestone, the second milestone. Alright, so here I am going with my American cheese. Alright, so the burgers are ready, cheese is melted, so I'm taking them off the Blackstone Griddle. now I'm going down to toast the buns, and I'm using just a little bit of mayonnaise to toast the buns. This is a little trick I used a trick I learned years ago working in restaurants. Gives the same flavor as butter when you toast them on a grill. So, you know, that's a little trick that you can use to make a really good grilled cheese, or just to toast your buns, or you know, or whatever else you're gonna toast. Alright, so McDonald's, they use a sesame seed bun. So what I got sesame seed potato rolls. Alright. Alright, so you see how it got toasted? Looks just like I toasted it with butter. And it's going to give the same flavor. Alright, my buns are all done. Now it's time to start making these Big Macs. Alright, going down with my special sauce. And so I purchased a Big Mac. I dissected it, and so they go down with special sauce, onions, and then the lettuce, and then the burger patty. The only thing they do different, they put the cheese before they put the burger patty. Me, I wanted my cheese melted, so basically what they do is they do bottom bun, special sauce, onions, lettuce, and then cheese, and put the burger on top of it. All right. Only thing I did different was I melted the cheese on my burgers. All right, there's the second layer. I got the pickles, and here we go with the top bun. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, already. I mean, you have eyes. You can see that this definitely looks better than a Big Mac from McDonald's. But just so you can see what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put one right next to it. Alright, so here you go. A Big Mac smash burger style that was done on the Blackstone Griddle with the special sauce and everything.
Hey, what's good? I'm here with my son Karl Jr. So he's gonna taste the Big Mac. He's a huge McDonald's fan, and particularly the Big Mac. So he's gonna let me know which one is better, his father's or McDonald's. All right, here we go, the taste test. So that's McDonald's. That's their Big Mac. All right. So what do you think about that one? Okay. Now here he is trying Daddy's.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace.
You like that one? All right, man. So there you go. Taste test from a professional McDonald's youngin. All right, thanks for participating. Say goodbye to the people.
All right, so here you go. Big Mac recipe smash burger style on a Blackstone Griddle. Shout out to my son Karl Jr. for participating in the video. Thanks to everybody who's checking out the video and who's supporting the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. Definitely helps me out a lot. Hit that like button. Also catch me on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Karl, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. On that note, I say God bless, go forth in victory, and I catch you on the next video. Peace.